What is up, my beautiful people? Let's make some noise in the market today. Right now, it's kind of trending sideways. Not a big fan, but I did take a couple trades here and there. Not very good trades. Still currently in a trade on a top step eval. We're going to pass our apex evals today. I'm pretty sure. Hopefully everything goes good. I might trade and push somewhat hard on these evals so I can have my 20 apex evals or funded accounts, PAs. See how that goes. But for now, let's just chill and wait for the market to give us a setup. Kind of currently ranging sideways. Tried to catch this move here. I mean, it was consistently moving up and got in about, I don't know, right here. It was still green, I think. So, and then it just went heavy against me pretty quickly. So I knew better than to jump in a trade when it's been trending up like that. But FOMO catches us all. I'd like to see it break past this wick, and I might get into a long position. If we can kind of change the trajectory of what it's doing now, I might look for a position. We are above the 21 and 9 EMA on the 5 minute, and I think the 2 minute was just about to cross, so it did cross to the downside, so it's still kind of moving sideways. Oh, and we're at 97 subscribers. I can't believe it. That's pretty quick. Happened, feels like overnight. I've been doing this for maybe a month now. I feel blessed. It's pretty awesome. Thank you. Let's see if we can make some money in the market today. If trend continues like it has been since I lost this trade, the market should come up to about right here and reject again. Otherwise, push up. I'd like to figure out a bias for the day. I don't currently have one. I mean, I'm leaning more towards long bias for the day, but we'll see how that goes. There's the push up. Let's see if we can get it to reject on my pro account. Actually, let's copy trade Apex 83. I want to see a little bit more of a push. There it is. Almost there. 15-minute looks pretty bullish. The overnight session was a mix of both. So kind of traded sideways after the U.S. market closed. London or Tokyo session was a mixed signal, up and down, and mostly down. And then the overnight trended pretty low. London started off pretty low, went down to 21,407, and then pushed really hard from there from like 5:45 a.m. I was actually up and I almost looked at the markets at that point. I should have checked it out. All right, so there's our trend. Let's see if we come on down. This candle, I mean, it's right there, so it really don't matter, but if the market does what I think it's going to do, comes back down to here, I'll jump in on a trade. Trading support and resistance. I don't do it a lot, but I do it some. If we can keep that little range for a little while, I might trade it. We'll see how it goes. Beautiful cross. Thank you, Lord, for your sacrifice. Looks like we're going to continue to the upside here. It's definitely trying to come up. It's not trying to go any lower. I mean, from what I'm looking at here. But let's see how it goes. She looks like she wants to pop up. I took a quick trade thinking we're gonna pop up, and looks like we are. I'm just gonna take a quick, $100 if I can get it, or more. Let it rip up.
Order canceled.
So we broke the. This is kind of how support and resistance plays, but we broke the resistance area. Came back for a retest. I figured I'd wait until the pop on the 9 EMA, and boom, popped up for a quick $85 profit. Could have stayed in a little longer, but I'm, playing it safe at the moment. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Much appreciated. Kind of looks like we're going to pop above this current high, so I'm going to go ahead and get in. I know it might be just a little bit early.
Order filled. Order submitted.
But I think we're good. It's going to definitely come back a little bit. We'll trail our stop to about right there. I think we're in the clear. Really wish my Take Profit Pro was in on this trade. Go ahead and add a second contract and get in.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Fully expect a little bit of pullback, but I think we're going to breach this high here. So this high candle wick. Maybe we can get a couple $100 in profit. Come on, NASDAQ, push up.
Order submitted.
If you haven't already, hit that like button. Oh, and Apex, still 90% off. Today's the last day. Use that code in the chat and you'll save 90%. You'll help this channel. Today is the last day though. All right, we've hit our profit
Stock
goal.
filled.
Make sure we're out everywhere.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, flatten all trades. So far, we're at 170 for the day on each account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. Just a couple trades and we're already at $3,000 in profit. Copy trading, Apex. We still haven't taken this high out yet. I'm positive we are, so I'm gonna wait for a little pullback and I'll get back in. Key is patience. Patience, patience, patience. I would like to see a pullback, but will it give it to us? Probably not. There's our pullback. I'm gonna pop in real quick.
Order filled.
Tighten up my stop. I don't want to give back what I've made. And we're gonna wait it out. Excuse me, I have a little bit of allergies today. Ideally, I don't want to see it go below this candle, and it just ripped down below. Hopefully it'll push back up. We'll see. We can afford a little loss. I don't want it to go below this, and if it does, then I want out of the trade. Do-do-do.
Order filled.
Add a second contract in here.
Order submitted.
You know you want to breach that high, NASDAQ. Let's push to 215, 21, 523. Let's go, let's go. Probably should give it a little room, but I'm not really trying to take any huge losses. Risk management. You have to be okay with your loss.
Stock filled.
You're losing trades.
Order canceled.
We gave our money back. Let's try it again.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
I knew you wanted to go up. My stop was just a little too tight, but no big deal. I'd like to see it retest this 9 EMA again so I can get in a second contract. If it don't, it's okay.
Order submitted.
Something in my mouth. Ugh. Let's push. All right, we have a new candle. Let's check out the 5 minute real quick, see how it looks. Y'all hear that train behind me? Still looking very bullish. I'm positive we're going to breach this high, so I'm going to stay in. Doesn't mean we will, but I'm pretty confident. We've already made new candle body highs. And got a little pullback here. Now let's push to the upside. It's wild to see how fast you can lose a $3,000. Started the day up 3,000. Now we're kind of break even. Copy trading for you. Nice little candle wick here. It's gonna give us a little signal that we're gonna push up even further. So I think I'm gonna buy another contract. I know it's a little early. We have about 30 seconds left,
Order
but
submitted.
it's a good sign we're pushing. So I'm gonna go ahead and trail my stop pretty tight. Hopefully, got out, but that rejection
Order canceled.
was key for me. So now we're up $300 per account. $5,100 for the day so far. We could just stop and take the rest of the day off, but I'm gonna trade a little bit more, probably give back some of that money. Just kidding. I really want to push these accounts to the 500,000 mark today, or all the way to 1,500. We have a little pullback here. Question is, are we going to sustain this breach of our all-time highs for the day? If you can see, the market, we're at new highs currently. Kind of traded sideways, came back down, collect some liquidity, and push. This was a huge push at like 5:30 this morning. Beautiful move I wish I was a part of, but I wasn't. So we still have that pullback. I might get in here. I don't know yet. See what it says. See what it does. I'm practicing patience as a day trader. Being a full-time day trader, staring at the charts, it's so easy to click buttons. So easy. And it's hard to walk away from, $5,100 in profits for the day. We want to keep trading. We want to make more. We're greedy people. Greedy. It's just human nature. It's probably about all the pullback we're going to get. If we get more, I'll be surprised. And hey, it may test the 9. Who knows?
Order submitted.
Put a buy limit order there. Put it down a little lower, just in case. The candle's a little strong for my liking now. That happened quick.
Order canceled.
See what I mean about patience, though? Prime example. It's probably going to bounce off the 21 EMA, but we'll see. I need to see some rejection, some strong rejection, too. If we can get that, I'll jump in on the long position. See that bounce? If we can break below it and hold below, we have 30 seconds left of this candle. Trying to test this line here is what we're doing. Get my finger ready. Seven seconds left of this candle. Looks like she's going to hold strong. No entry. If this keeps trying to reject, then I got to sit back and wait for a new entry. A lot of times this candle right here will just push back up green. Looks kind of weak. No bueno. No bueno. Could this be a full engulfing candle? Honestly, I kind of hope so. Still looking kind of weak, but we'll see what we get out of it. Yep, pretty weak. If we can hold this candle wick, we might be able to push to the upside. It just depends on if it rejects on this line or not. This line is a crucial area, in my opinion. We've held this line. We broke the line, came down for some support here, traded up, caught resistance, support, resistance, and then we kind of tried to come back out down, which I thought we were, and we broke past. We retested inside of the area that we were trading and then pushed back out. So I caught some moves here. And now we're back to this line. This line can become support. Even if it comes through it a little bit, it's fine. But if we break past it and continue, this line now becomes support. I'm not a support and resistance trader, but I do kind of keep it in mind because the market tends to repeat itself over and over again. It moves in waves. So if you would have, you couldn't right here, and you probably could take a short position here, but for sure right here, I mean, it's clear as day, boom. And then right here, I was a little hesitant to take a short position because we didn't make it past all this. We didn't keep the same level, so I just stayed out. But support and resistance is pretty cool to keep in mind while trading. It's not my end-all be-all trading strategy, but the 9 and 21 EMA is my main strategy. And I trade price action. I just kind of guess what the candles are giving me. I have a bias for the day, and my bias currently is long, but that could change. I'm not married to it. I'm not your flashy trader trying to make everyone think, boom, I'm making millions, but I'm not. Just thousands. Full-time day trader, trying to support my family, provide a life, and I'm doing just fine. Looking kind of weak to the downside, so might be time to take some long positions, but I'm going to hold tight for a moment just to kind of see what this sideways barcode looks like. Kind of looks like a bear flag at the moment, so I want to see it play out before I jump in. Successful trading is 90% waiting. Patience. Bro, will you give on 100 subs? Yes, I'm giving away a 100K straight to funded Tradeify account. Trying to work it out with Tradeify right now because I'm not an affiliate for Tradeify at the moment. Hopefully that'll change soon. Nice P&L so far. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yesterday was even better. In Apex, it is trailing drawdown or end of day. Trailing drawdown, intraday. Thanks for stopping in, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Make sure you hit that like button for me. You can't even see all of the P&L. The P&L is kind of not there. Let's see. Move it for just a moment. Here we are. Get this out of the way. One of my employees just came back here. Should have caught this trade, but I was a little distracted. Do you remember what date it was? And can you lock that front door? 21st? Let me just run a report for unserviced and all. Yeah, if you look for Cliff Lindgren, whatever date that was on, the 26th. I think it's the 26th. It's the only date it shows. Let me just pull them up real quick. Uh, 521, yeah. How much material do you have left right now? You know? Before you leave, holler at me though, so I can get some stuff out of the truck. Drop it to the dump, maybe. I tried to take it off yesterday, but they were closed. So, on the way to Winchester on the right by Dollar General, I think it is. I guess just set it outside then for now. Back there in the back. I'll move it to the Chevy. Or you can run it right now before you fill up. I'll just add some time to your check. Man, I missed that move. $10 for the 21st. Let me see which ones they are.
Oh, there's 11, but that first one's irrigation.
Yeah, but she's also a client, so I don't know when the last time we were there. $5.7. Yeah, ignore that one for now. All right. All right. Thanks, man. All right. Sorry about that. I forgot to mute too. You're welcome, Vishal and Pips and Ticks. What's up, buddy? Make sure y'all like the stream. Appreciate it. I'm hesitant to get in here because we're at the top again, and last time I tried it went pshoom. So I'm gonna kick back and wait just a few. Let's check out the 5 minute real quick. Man, it's a beautiful bullish view. Yeah, I'm very bullish on the day, pips and ticks. Very bullish, very bullish. I'll be right back. Hold tight. Still doing some business owner stuff here, so bear with me. But I did get in this trade, thinking we might push up further. We'll see. Couple things to do, just real fast. I'm not gonna risk a lot on this trade either, so I'll take $50 to $100 off of it if we can get it. Trail it nice and tight.
Stop
Order
filled.
canceled.
All right, be right back. Here's a top step trade that I took. This is an eval, so I've got to make 9,000, I believe it is, and I think we're gonna push pretty high. So $2,000 trade here. Let's keep our stop about right here. I don't think we'll trail back too much. I think I got in somewhere around this range here or right here. And I've just held it since. Didn't realize my mic was muted. Thanks, Pips and Ticks. So we have a nice push down. Let's see if it rejects at the 9 EMA. I think it will, but we'll see. I'm uninterested in getting in on the trade because we have a long red candle. We're getting closer and closer to market open, so I want to see some rejection either at the 9 or the 21 EMA here. And if you haven't already, Apex evals are 90% off. Today only. Today only. Pop in. Yes, sir. So far, we're at $6,200 for the day on NASDAQ. $6,200 for the day. Let me just update this real quick. Get it out of your way. See why we don't enter just yet? I mean, boom, to the downside. Yes, sir. 230. $470. I don't think we're gonna reach 470, bud. But I'm not sure. I mean, we could. Let's take a look at the 15-minute real quick and I mean, we're pumping hard, man. I don't think we'll reach it. The 15-minute chart, we might hit it, but I'm not sure. It might be later in the day. We have to have some sort of pullback for sure, but I don't know. I think it'll probably give it to us market open maybe. We'll see. I'd like to see the market open just straight up. beautiful hour candle. How many points is that? 425, 517, almost 100 points. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to hit that, man. Such a huge candle here, pushing us up. Honestly, I'm really going for this high. I'd like to see that new high. This was December 17th, I think, 16th. Yeah, 16th, 17th. We're definitely going to have pullbacks on the way up. It might take us a couple weeks to get there, but I really think we're going to push for it. We've been down for quite a while. If you've noticed, I saw in another video, I didn't even think of this or notice this, but every time he brings up tariffs now, it's less and less of a push down. So market's it's kind of getting used to tariffs, and we're still pushing. So who knows what we'll get. I mean, we are kind of at a area where we could tank down. This could be a push down. Who knows? We'll see. I'm not married to my bias, that's for sure. Let's see if Tradeify responded. Not yet. All right, so we've got that bounce on the 21 here. Let's give it a minute to see what this candle does. Pips and ticks, if you're waiting for the 470 mark, do you like to hold your positions for hour, 2 hours, or are you in and out, scalping like I am? Looking pretty weak. Pips and ticks. You are an ICT trader. I know some really successful ICT traders. One who lives in Nashville, Tennessee, close by. You're after this. Gotcha. We all use some of the same concepts. I mean, it's part of it. I use some supply and demand myself. Broke through, came back, pushed up. That's why I got in these trades here. The market repeats itself, so it just you can get in on trades like that. Doesn't always work out, but hey, I'm not always playing them either. You're right, though. It has had a lot of action in it. Consolidation mostly. So it is an area of interest for sure. Market's moving so slow. A little sideways action here. It's just a waiting game for now. Market opens in 23 minutes. I'm going to take a quick break just before market open here. I'll be right back. I'm going to go check out some things real quick for my guys. Un momento, por favor. And we're back. What's going on, YOLO? How you doing, man? Taking any trades this morning? I'm currently up 6,200, I believe the number was. Yeah, 6,205. Trying to reach the 1,500 mark for the day, though. I'd like to take a payout on Take Profit Pro, my pro account. You're brave, man. I hate the open. I switched to micros and trade that way, but man, the open is just not for me. Too much movement. Look at that little pump up. Is it temporary or what do we think? So I own a business. That's why I keep having to pop off for a minute, especially in the mornings early. We got to get a few things situated. Yesterday, I had a meeting with a company that wants to purchase my business. So we are negotiating price and yeah, so hopefully we get out and we just trade full time. Nothing else. That's the goal. I trade full time already. I still own a business. I have another income. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I've already sold half of my business a couple months ago, month and a half or so ago. I sold everything that's not local. So it kind of looks like this is turning into a little support area. So I know we kind of trashed it down here, but we'll see. Guess we just chill and find out. I need to bring someone on the stream maybe so there's conversation, more talking about trading and stuff. So that's not just sitting here waiting on the market. I started this channel because I'm bored. I like to trade, but it's kind of boring just doing it by yourself. But it's also boring just sitting here watching the market, not talking. I don't have a lot to say. Push down, pips and ticks, you might get your 470. Still got about 15 minutes until market open. 13 minutes to be exact. Trading is boring, but boring is good. Yeah, I agree, man. The luxury you get at you're able to spend time with your family. To me, that's the big win. All right, nice rejection. I wonder if it's going to pop. How's that eval, Yellow, with Apex that you won? Care to share? Actually, I haven't sent you the eval. I forgot. Just looking at the email here. I know you bought one. Why won't Apex respond? Sounds good, bud. Let me just send them another email. Let's see. Pushing down, ain't it? All right, I just reached out to Apex again, YOLO. So see what we can get from them on that. They're supposed to send me a couple codes, and I haven't got them. Probably just a little busy. We'll see. Still pushing down. Retest of the range. Yeah, for sure. Doing a giveaway. I haven't announced another giveaway just yet, but the for the 100K straight to funded, I did take a few trades pre-New York. But we're doing a giveaway, and yeah, it was a long position. I took some right here at the break of the range here. Be doing a giveaway for 100K straight to funded when we reach 100 subscribers. We're only a few points away from that, so it won't be long. But what I'll do is I'll make a video, and we will pretty much talk about the giveaway in that video. Everyone that comments on the video will be entered into that video, or into the giveaway for the straight to funded 100K. As the channel grows, we'll be able to do many more giveaways. So I hope to do a lot. Definitely pushing down, huh? We'll do the giveaway on a live stream, by the way. So follow about a week after the video. No, not in Discord, but you should join the Discord if you haven't already. The link is in the description. and I'm not trying to brag, but most of the time I have a lot of money to, give away. So we will do some cash prizes too. So be sure to be in Discord. And a lot of the people that have been on my streams in the beginning, definitely gonna have some rewards for them too. Vishal, YOLO, Pips and Ticks, Mike. I've seen you guys a lot, so 100%. We almost hit the 470 area. We're about 10 points away. 20 points away. Well, 10 points to get into the 70s. Getting close. Getting close. Could have bought right here, but if you follow the 9 and 21 EMA, I mean, if you stay true to the process, look at this cross here. Boom. Every day, all day long. We get good entries. I mean, sometimes you get faked out like right here, but it didn't cross, so you wouldn't be taking a short anyway. All right, market's open. Beautiful cross. Praise you, Jesus. Thank you for your sacrifice. Nice little push up. I'm going to switch over to micros just in case I take a trade. You know how we traders are. We like to take trades.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
One moment. She looks like she wants to rip down for a little while. What do you think? Totally unsure. I just got in a trade just in case it popped. Risk about 50 bucks, 30, 40 bucks. No big deal.
Order filled.
2 contracts short.
Stop filled.
And we're out.
Order canceled.
Maybe we should have stayed in and give ourselves a little bit more breather room. I'm still liking longs at the moment, though.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice little rejection wick here.
Order submitted.
maybe, just maybe, we'll push up to about right here. Let's get our money back on that last trade and some. What do you say? Push, baby, push. It's having a hard time. Go ahead and get out.
Stop filled.
Order canceled.
Flatten. All right, we got our money back on that last loss. Still liking longs. Let's wait for a little retracement here. We're going to break this high day here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Most definitely going to break this high of day. Matter of time.
Order submitted.
Oh, we made it to 101. Wow. That's cool. Time to make a video. Do a giveaway. I'm going to dollar cost average into this a little bit here.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Rip back up, baby. Just looking for about 50 bucks, nothing serious. It's looking weak to the downside though, so still a good sign. Push, push, push. I'm gonna check out the 2-minute real quick. And the 15, where you at? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start trimming profits here. Well, I was. Push. Nice push up. Beautiful move. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Let's collect some of that.
Stop filled.
Order canceled.
Stop filled.
And we're out.
Order canceled.
Vishal, I hope you didn't make new accounts and subscribe. I hope not, man. I'd rather it be honest and legit. I know you guys want that 100K straight to funded, but at any rate, we are at 100 subscribers, so we will do the giveaway. All right, I'm gonna re-enter here. Just
Order
one.
filled.
Just one.
Order submitted.
Might add to the trade as it pumps up.
Order filled.
Collect another 30 to
Order
50
submitted.
bucks.
Stock filled.
Nice, nice.
Order canceled.
$6,800 P&L today. Vishal, if you did do that, unsubscribe from a couple because I want my metrics to be honest. I think this thing could keep ripping, so
Order filled.
once we get to a certain
Order
point, I'll
submitted.
just let it run and put my stop to break even. I am in a $400 deficit on my Take Profit Pro. I did take a trade pre-market that I lost, so slowly building out of that. Keep pumping. Push up, baby, push up. You know you want to. Just don't hit my stop, whatever you do. I'm going to keep trailing it and just let it run if it doesn't stop me out.
Order
Stock
canceled.
filled.
$7,200 for the day so far.
Order filled.
Try this one more time here.
Order submitted.
Keep my stop about midway of the candle. Maybe just a little lower than midway.
Order filled.
Dollar cost average.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, big boy, push up.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
I hate when that happens. Get rid of them. That's what happens when you copy trade and multiple accounts giving you the same notification. 20 points secured. Nice pips and ticks. I don't even know how many points I've taken so far. We're 5 contracts long. I hope this gives a nice little rip up because that'd be a significant amount of money. It's struggling to the downside for sure, though. Still trying to push up. So if we can get $100, $200 off this trade, I'll be satisfied. It's not looking too great, but why does it keep doing that? Rate limit exceeded. I'm gonna have to close the trade. I've traded too much already, huh? All right. We'll close about $100 if it'll let us. Push back up. It's definitely bull flagging. I haven't really traded that much. I don't know why it's saying rate limit exceeded. It's weird. right, it's looking a little weak, so as soon as it gets green, probably pop out. Guess I was wrong. I'll go ahead and get out just in case, though.
Order filled.
It wouldn't even let me close my trade. That's sad. I haven't even traded that much. It's like 10, 15 trades here.
Order filled.
It is what it is. I'm glad we got out, though, because we're pushing down. Why is it?
Order filled.
What the heck was going on there? Apparently, we were in another trade somehow. I don't understand. I'll have to watch the replay. What time? How far into this are we? 1 hour, 58 minutes. 2 hours. Write that down. 2 hour mark. I'd really like to see what happened there. I think we're going to reject and push up some more, so watch your shorts if you're shorting the market. Thanks for the heads up, Pips and Ticks. I didn't realize, but it turned out okay. It was pushing down is what I don't understand, and it was a green trade, so what was happening, you know? I didn't catch it. It's one downfall to copy trading is you gotta hit the flatten all button. Most of the time they close out just fine, but all right, I'd like to see it reject at this 21. We've crossed on the 2 minute. Let's check the 5. We have not quite crossed just yet. Oh, we are actually already. We never crossed back down. Thought we would. Thought we did. Let's see the 15. 15 still looking bullish. We have like a trend line we're setting up here. What's up? All right. Say what? Oh, yeah. All right, I'm back. I use the Apex copy trader. I'm actually gonna switch over to I can't remember the name of it, but I'll make a video about it soon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. So far, we are at $8,300 P&L for the day. Let's see what this big bull, red, ugly, nasty candle does. Not a big fan of big red candles when I'm long on the day. But I'm not married to my bias, so we will see. Yeah, Replicanto. That's the one, Replicanto. I plan to test it out. I've seen some videos about it, but I haven't really seen too much, so I haven't seen enough to make me want to buy it just yet. I hear it's a little expensive too, so I'm gonna see what other options there are too at the same time. All right. As soon as Big Nasty goes away, we can see about some trades. Wonder if there's any news. That's what I'm looking up right now. Check out Financial Juice. There it is. Nothing yet on Financial Juice. OPEC plus ministerial meeting has begun. Delegate. Not sure what's driving that move down, but let's push to X and see if Trump has tweeted. Tariff tweets, anything. No tweets. Well, who knows? Just some selling at the 560 level, supply level. Yeah, who knows? We'll see what happens. Hopefully my box holds up, though. $450, $470. Yeah, we are. Push back. I wouldn't long into this right now if I were y'all. This could just be a pullback to go further down. Yeah, I wouldn't long into it just yet. Patience, patience, patience. I'm actually considering short positions. Looks like it wants to break down. Based on other time frames, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. 1 hour's looking pretty bearish. 30 minutes looking pretty bearish. 15-minute bearish overall. Just need to see a little bit more action. I'm going to run to the restroom real quick. See what I mean? Watching those longs, pushing down even further here. Could be time to take some buys now, but let's see what this candle gives us. If it's a long wick candle, then I might get in here. Still in micros, not anything serious. Just trying to stack up small wins.
transmitted.
Take a buy limit order there, maybe. Trading is 90% waiting. That's what I keep hearing, and I agree 100%. And if I get in this trade here, I'm not trying to stay in for very long either. Just going to play the retrace, the wick. I changed my mind just because that candle was pushing a little too slow and staying
Order
down.
canceled.
Wasn't really interested. We at demand zone, yeah. Too slow of price action. Is that what you have as a buy limit at 470? Or are you telling me to do that? I'm still a little cautious at this point. If this candle can break above this candle, then I might be okay with it, but bear flagging. $430 is your stop. Let's see how good you are, pips and ticks. I'm gonna mark it on the chart. 430 is his stop, and we'll just put it here. And his entry is 470, I believe. 470, yeah. All right. My wife is currently watching. Don't let her down, man. Make some money. I'm being cautious. I just can't get in right now. It's still bear flagging. All right, he's in the green. How much? I don't know, but Push, push, push. Yeah, man, I agree. I hope you get it. For me, I'm sitting it out. I'm actually interested in a short, to be honest with you. Retest it down into the 450 area. Don't let me mess with your psychology, though. If you think it's going to go, go. Good. I'm rooting for you. Let us know when you get out and where you got out. I'm gonna have to put you on the stream or something sometime, Pips. Maybe we can get on a Zoom call or something and let you share your screen. All right, he's at break even. Back up. I forgot my camera was off. Starting to like this trade. If we can get back into this area right here, I'm 100% in for a long. Beautiful cross. Check out the 2 minute real quick. Bit of consolidation. Points have crossed. Changed my mind, Pips. Give me 500 and I'll move the break even. Are you in micros or minis? Bear with me one moment. Sorry about that. I had a business call. All right, Pips. How'd it go? 450. Two Take Profit Trader Pros. Stop loss at 450. With the chop, man, I don't know. I kind of want to play the bottom of the chop to the top here, but I was on the phone. Are you still in the trade, Pips? Curious. Speaking of Take Profit Pro, I got to trade my Take Profit Pro out of a deficit. I'm negative 479 currently. Oh, and my eval with Take Profit. My phone won't stop today. Really hope that I did not show my login information. Still in. You're out now. Well, you're about to be. Maybe not. Hopefully it'll push up. Stop loss is now at 450, isn't it? So yeah, you're out now for sure. That's exactly why I was wanting to stay out right there. I'm watching the replay to see if I shared my login information to Take Profit Trader. Kind of think I did. We'll see. Yeah, I'm overall bullish. I'm just trying to take my time with entries. I'm up for the day. I could call it a day and be fine. Does anyone know if I shared my login? Look at that nice candle. I'm not stressed about it. I'm more worried that someone might get in there and try to mess around. Trying to find it, but I can't find it. Yeah, I swept you and then pushing now. 100%. That's how it works, ain't it? I can't find it. I'll have to find it after the stream and edit it out. Back into the barcode area. Man, that really sucks. You got swept out like that. Let's see. 15 minutes still bearish. 30-minute bearish. 1 hour bearish. 4 hour, daily, kind of bearish. Starting to be bearish. I just don't know. 15 minutes definitely bearish, and that's what I kind of watched. We'll see what we get. For me to be in a trade, I need to see some more movement, and I'm already up 10,000 for the day. I think I'm not sure exact. Let's see, $8,300 for the day. So I'm not trying to give that back. I want to be sure, or at least mostly sure. So, gotta wait. It's 10:30 market time. Shouldn't be slowing down like this. Gotta make a quick phone call real quick. If we can keep pushing down, we might be looking for short positions. Play the barcode. One of my clients is super old, very nice guy, but very ornery. Keeps calling me. Killing me. Yeah, I think I'm probably done until power hour myself. Pips and ticks. And Ken K, welcome to the stream. This price action is not very nice. I think it's just preparing for a big move, though. ripping down further. Yeah, that's what I'm counting on, a reversal. I need to see that EMA cross. She's ripping down, down, down. Five-minute looks a lot better than this choppy mess. Is this the pump? All right, people, don't forget Apex 90% off. Use that coupon code at the top right of your screen. I'll post it in the chat too. Today's the last day. And I think, let's see. $13 hours, 16 minutes left. So make sure you get in. Are you long, sir? Long at 460. I assume your stop loss is probably down here at the lows. It's going to sweep you out again, man. I'm just kidding. Hopefully not. All right, guys, pips and ticks. Long at 460, the orange line here. Let's see what he makes of it. I'm going to get long as well, but a seemingly better entry. Why did that not copy trade?
Order submitted.
There it goes. All right, let's see what we can get out of this. Maybe a little action here. There's a whole 10 people watching you, pips and ticks, so don't fail them. Make that 11, including me. Kind of looks like it wants to come down for more, though. I'm only in this trade because I'm bored. My stop is going to be at the low of these as well. Push, push, push. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Green. Come on. Get past the 9 EMA. Rip up to the 21 EMA. You know you want to. I got to say, though, I'm not liking the price action. Not liking it. I'm sure we can make $30 on it, though. We'll see. Got about 45 seconds left of this candle. We are on the 2-minute chart. Break even trade so far. Pips and I would like it to reach about right here. NASDAQ, let's go. Are you trading your TPT Pros, man? I'm not liking the price action, so I'm about to close this trade. I don't like it one single bit. It's got to come down a little more to go up, I feel like. Let's see. Taking a risk. Luckily, it's just micros, though. Are they new TPT accounts, or do you have some sort of buffer built up into them right now? Nice little push up. Let's see if we can take some of that.
Stop filled.
And we're out. I don't like the price action, so
Order canceled.
stick to what I know. We're up $9,000 on the day. Looking good, Pips. Kind of have like a little trend line here. I wouldn't be looking for longs at this point. I finally found the area where I messed up and put my accounts in. It doesn't look like I showed my password, thankfully. Oh, I did show my password. That sucks. I have to take this call 1 second. How we doing, Pips? Did you win that trade? Lose that trade? How'd it go? Oh yeah, my wife called.
I got in that trade hoping we were kind of at a bottom and going up, but wasn't a good trade for sure. Could be just at this point in time it wasn't that great. Pips and Tigs done for the day. 20 points green, 50 points red. Man, hopefully though the green outweighed the red, sir. Break even day. I'm pretty much done for the day too. I don't like the direction of the market. I don't like what it's doing. Just gonna call it. Nice little rip. Ow. Give it a few more minutes here and see what happens, but I think for now I'm calling it a day. Nice little push up. My trade was good. I just needed a little bit of more room, is all. I'll be right back. Starting to get into reversal territory. Yeah, definitely waited for you to get out, huh? I feel like we're in reversal territory now. I mean, we've kind of broke these highs, or these lower highs. That's how it happens, man. It always works out like that, right? That's why I'm always real patient with my trades. I mean, my P&L's typically 500 to 1,000 in a day on each account. And I'm okay with that. I mean, I'm trading many accounts at a time, so I like playing the long game. I see we got about 10 people watching. Why don't you hit that like button for me, please? Greatly appreciate it. Help get this stream out there. 10 likes so far. Good deal. I'm going to hang around for a few and watch this reversal. If we can get up into this range here, I might be looking for some long positions. But for now, I'm uninterested in trading. I don't want to give back any money to the market. My pro account would take profit trader. We're still sitting at a deficit of 487, which isn't terrible. I'll take a small red day over a big red day. See what this is. Man, my throat's killing me. Take a buy order
Order
here
filled.
on this little pullback. I'm in
Order
a little
submitted.
earlier than what I would want, but the EMAs are starting to cross. on the 2 minute. Let's check out the 5, see what it looks like. Hopefully this isn't just a bear bar down, but I think it's a safe bet
Order filled.
that we're gonna go up and make some
Order submitted.
higher moves here. And this is what I wait for. Stuff like this. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Nice little rejection wick. Let's see if we can pull it off. This trade could very well go against me, but I don't think it will. I'd like to see it break this high here. Give it plenty of room and sit back and watch. Forgot to turn my camera back on. Put a buy limit here,
Order submitted.
buy limit here. I don't think we'll
Order submitted.
go much lower than the trend line we have here.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
We're back at the
Order
trend line.
submitted.
Hopefully it rejects. Looking good so far. I want to see another wick or new highs. Let's go. We got 22 seconds left of this candle. Staying hydrated. All right, we got both of our DCA entries also into the mix. So now we're 4 contracts long. Still a wick, so maybe it'll push back up. We'll see. As we break into this new high, or above this high, this candle, I'm going to start trailing my stop. Not looking for much, just a little bit. $50 to $100. Hopefully it wasn't just collecting some liquidity to push further down, but I have a good feeling we're going to push back for a nice little V-Day. Check out the 10-minute real quick. We're at the London lows currently. The low of the day for London was 407. So about right here. Could be time for the reversal. Nice little V-Day. Hopefully. One second left. There we go. New candle. How's that 5-minute chart looking? Still looking good. $41 seconds left of this candle on the 5-minute. Come on, Bulls, rip it up. I really wanted to take this trade with a mini contract, but kind of too late now. Retesting that trend line. Come on, push up. If it's going to go, it's got to go now. Push, baby, push. Still a good rejection wick. 2-minute chart. Still liking the trade. I might DCA in a little bit more here.
Order submitted.
If we hit those.
Order submitted.
Doesn't look like we're gonna. Just more chop. She wants to go up though. Push, NASDAQ, push. Getting really hungry. I gotta go. All right, come on. She's trying. Got a minute left of this candle. Not really liking the price action, so I'm going to just take my win if I can get it.
Stop filled.
And we're in. We're out. Wasn't much, but better than nothing.
Order canceled.
All right, guys, make sure you check out the Apex sale. Last day, 90% off. Stock up on some evals and come trade with me tomorrow morning. And definitely use that code in the chat. I'll paste it in one more time. Apex Trader Funding, 90% off. There's your code. Working on getting that code shortened. Waiting on Apex to respond. But look at that. We should have stayed in a little longer. I'm going to go grab some lunch. I might come back for Power Hour and get back on live stream. Also, we've hit over the 100 subscriber count, so we will be doing a giveaway of a straight to funded 100K Apex or Tradeify. So I'm working with Tradeify on how we can handle that. So we'll figure it out, but I'll release a video sometime in the next few days letting you know that we're doing it. Obviously, you know now by watching the stream, but we're going to be giving away the 100K. I'll do the video, and you'll have to place a comment on that video. Make sure you like it and share it, and everyone that's done that will be entered into the drawing. It's going to be random. I'll get on live stream probably sometime next week, and we'll do the drawing. So 100K Tradeify straight to funded. Hopefully you don't blow it up, whoever wins, and trade small, just trade light. I'm $531 on each, $530 on each account. We're at 17 accounts times 531. I made $9,027 today, minus the $460 loser. which is my Take Profit Pro, which I'll bounce that back this afternoon. I'm not too worried about that. Today I'll probably end up in around another $2,000 hopefully. Yesterday we made 23, 24. I think actually it ended the day at 25K total. So, I mean, small wins make for big paydays in this industry. So, look at that. This is a good trade here. I might jump in. She's looking like she's wanting to pop up. Actually, you know what? I'm hungry. I'm going to call it. Make sure you give God thanks on the winners and the losers. Doesn't matter. We still praise the Lord. And I'll see you guys tomorrow or this afternoon. Peace.